Hey guys, this is an addendum to the video I previously did on what appeared to be a bug in iMovie 10.1.2 and the way it handled deleted clips. So it turns out it's not really a bug, it's just a very different way that it handles clips when they're added to your timeline. So just to recap, if I take a clip here and I right click on it and choose delete media from event, I get a warning telling me that the selected files will be removed from the iMovie library. I click delete and that clip ends up in my trash, which is the way it's supposed to work. And of course, I can come back here and undo that. However, if I add this clip to my timeline, and then I choose to delete the media from event, it seems like it just disappears. And that's what I thought the bug was. But in actuality, it's actually made a copy of this clip here in the project media event. So these are all the clips that I've used in my project. Now the issue here is that this clip is now only available in the project itself. It's no longer available to other projects because I deleted it out of here. And it just seemingly disappeared without a warning. If I want to make it available to other projects again, I need to drag a copy back into that event or any other event. Notice we get the green plus symbol indicating we are creating a copy here. And you can see it's now back here. Now where this can become even more confusing is if I delete this clip out of my project. So it's no longer in the project, and later, maybe I forgot that it was ever in my project, I choose to delete media from event. It still just disappears without a trace. And again, it's not in my trash, so I may wonder where that's gone. But even though it's no longer in my project timeline, a copy still remains here in the project media event. But now if I try to right-click on this and choose delete media from event, now I get the warning basically telling me it's going to be moved to the trash. So it can be kind of confusing, I think you would agree. But basically what happens is anytime you add a clip from an event into your project, a copy of that clip automatically gets added to your project media event. And as long as there's more than one copy of that clip somewhere, when you go to delete that clip from either your event or the project media event, you won't see any kind of warning because there's another copy of the clip somewhere. It's only when it's the last copy of the clip in iMovie that when you choose delete media from event, you'll see that warning, and if you choose delete, that's when that file actually gets moved to the trash. I'm going to undo that, and I'll move a copy back to my event. And since I'm not using it in the project media anymore, I can just delete it from here. It appears to just disappear, but again, now we know there is a copy still sitting here. So it's a little bit confusing. It takes a little bit of thinking to wrap your mind around, but basically that's how deleting clips works in iMovie 10.1.2.